Hello, good morning. Nice to meet you. My name Marcel. Now I will tell you about the parts of Barunia. Barunia has 5 floors. The first is tenda. Tenda consists of 2 parts. In the front is called lutur, and at the back is called molang. Lutur is used for guests holding ceremonies, meeting, and sleeping. Molang consists of 4 parts. They are kitchen for cooking, bedroom is a place to take a rest, dining room, and a particular place to hold ceremony for its family. In the middle of the tenda, there is a gold pillar, namely Hiri Bongkok. It is the place for chief when leading the meeting and the ceremonies. The second floor, Lobo, it is to keep foods such as rice, corn, and coffee. The third floor is called Lentar, which is used as food storage. The fourth floor is called Lemparai, which is used to keep the seeds. And the last floor is called Hekang Kode. It's used to give offering for the ancestors when the Nyunyang is already built. Well, and the next, I would like to describe about Chompang. Chompang is the central point of Warbo village. It is very important point that cannot be separated from Niangs. There is no Baru Niang without Chompang. The Niang must be extended circle the Chompang. The Chompang function as the main altar for making ritual to make closer between variable people, God, nature, and ancestors. Chompang is also the symbol to recognize that variable people have Bartembong culture and customs. The Chompang is constructed of hard stone. It must be in circle form. The secret of Chompang symbolizes the unity of village, the harmony, integrity between variable people, God, nature, and ancestors. That's all. Thank you.